Alright, so if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share the video up.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Janet Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
Hello? Phil, where's part of it? You didn't tell me something before wait for you. Why take you so long? You walk too slow. Hurry up, man.
Mom,
Yeah.
yeah. One thing, you know, I'm not normal express myself, but
Yes, me know that.
yeah,
So
but
I'm
I just have to tell you, say, me appreciate you, know, honestly. Yeah, it's weird, but me appreciate you because you get transfer and you still come for meet me morning time and daytime too.
no worry yourself about that.
Friendship, you know, you know, I
Yes,
appreciate it.
we love you too. Don't worry yourself, man. We wait for you every day. What do you want to talk to you about something, cause
But that no, that no sound good at all, you know.
no, I don't bother. I just like when I left out of the house this morning with the bother. She done asked me if me and you, if so she had talked to me about basically sex. She had talked to me about say me fi use protection and she had like give me a condom in my hand. How that
For what?
me don't know what she know like she made me know say she made me know say we might have talked to somebody. Me don't know. But
You're not cute.
I know so me don't want to talk to mother about that. That's weird.
Listen to me, at least your mother better because mine not talk to me about sex. She not even want to hear nothing about boyfriend. I don't know nothing about sex because of she. And even if I go to school and I learn something particular towards it, I'm come home and I question her more because you know more and more details.
Yeah.
She just shun me off. She's not that type of mother. So at least your mother talk to you about sex.
But me still don't want to talk to her about that. At least I hear mother.
But I appreciate the little details. She had tell her the information
but
and knowledge.
brother, if my father did talk to me about that, but
I
me don't have
understand.
mother. That's weird.
I understand.
But right, what time by the way?
Come, we have to go to school.
Yeah, right
Yes,
by
I
the way. We need to lift.
Mommy, evening.
Evening. Where you coming from?
No school.
Oh, school. At what time school over? Come, look, little girl. Stand up right there so when me I talk to you. Where you coming from?
School.
Little girl, what time now? Why you just come from school about school?
At school me I come from and you know me love
Oh,
you.
hello. Don't talk to me so low. Manners.
Sorry, mommy. You know me love music, so I stay back for music practice.
So you, then a music class at school and me don't know about it.
You know me love music. You know that.
Yes, me
I'm
know.
tell her the
But
other day.
any
Some-
activity, shut up while me talking. Don't do that. When somebody speaking, you shut your mouth and listen, and when they ask you a question, then you answer. You hear what me say?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. And nobody yes mommy with no attitude.
Yes, mommy.
And why you looking down on the floor like say me they down there so? So me invisible now. Listen to me. How much money me give you this morning for go school?
$1,000.
Uh-huh. And how much is for your fare? You eat off your fare and want to come from school. Come on, know why you're coming from school at this time of the day.
Pana tell us I'm stay a music practice.
I do not know about no music class that you're into at school. So how can you come and telling me now that you are in?
Tomorrow you want to call my teacher and ask her. You can call me make she talk to you.
You see how long me tell us if you get your teacher number and give me? Every day, yes, mommy, me I go get the number about 2. You know what they do at school. You don't want to get the number, but you know what me I go do? You see the next parents meeting, our teachers meeting, I could have principal meeting, me they go down at the school because I have to see your teacher.
Just come with me.
Don't tell us something. Me have one beating figure. And I last chance me dog you. You see, if you come from school, no more evening so late. Remember say, you see that belt here? This. You not miss it. And it will not miss you. Don't forget that. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Come pull out me here, little and outer than hour. And when you're done, go wash up the dirty plate then because you should have washed them from morning before you go to school. Sweep out the house and make sure, little girl, I mean, have to pray the bed. You're a little bit outer than Rudy. No, talk it out now. Tell me what cause you make you not do your work at morning time. And you not do it when night come.
Just
You know what? You just a pray for me come down to your school, come shame you in front of your friend them.
question me did want to ask.
Ask me.
Because you go cuss all night and me can't bother.
Ask me.
I teach me about sex yet.
Come on to me. How old are you?
15.
15. Hold on there. So, me not teach you. The teacher, they not teach you at school about sex. You not got at the class at all. And that's what. You ready to change from music now to what?
Me not, all me ask you is why you never teach me about it yet.
Listen to me. Yes, at the age of 15, I can teach you about sex. But you will follow friend. Me no want tell you nothing about sex yet. Because me might tell you the right way and you go out the road and make somebody else tell you the wrong way and you follow them and not listen to me. Because enough of uno no listen to parents, you no go a road go listen to friend. Well, anyway, come right here to me and don't move. Right there. Listen to me. You want to know about sex? Don't shake your head off, me, little girl.
Yes, Mommy.
Why you want to know about sex?
Because my guidance counselor that teach me some stuff about it and me I say, oh, you never talk to me about it as my mother and a teacher fair teach me about it.
Little girl. You see sex? You really want to know about sex? So you make up your mind now. If you come carry belly palm me before time.
Me never said nothing like that. It's not. You see, it hard to talk to you as a man. Me can't talk to you.
Hello. Oi, stand up right here, so. Look in at me 2 big bulky eye them. Why you want to know about sex? Because your teacher give you a test at school about sex. Listen to me. No go so. Me need to see your book. I breed you want go breed palm me and left Lord Jesus Christ. And you at your age, you don't know nothing about taking care of it. You want left it palm me now. So instead of the little dollar when me they wash the people them dirty clothes. If you send you to school and mind you. Okay, me fi go take it by Pampers. Me if you take it by Pampers. Me. And at the end of the day, you can't get figure at school no more, so you not come out of, you not come out of school with nothing. What you mean?
You see, I beat me already on one simple question.
So me want to
ask
know,
you.
where the hell you want to know about sex?
Just
When me,
most of them can answer certain questions when she ask them, and I couldn't answer no because I don't know nothing about it.
you don't know nothing about it, and you want to know something about it.
Can't answer, so I mean, for them parents, I teach them about it, and you not teach me nothing.
So you want the experience about it, if you know about it,
Just want to keep ahead in our class too.
So why when me talk to you, you have attitude and not shake? You want me to lick off your hand, them girl? You want me to lick them off? Look here. If me ever talk to you one more time in your life, and you ring up and they shake up like you're a big woman, you see that mouth, if I ring off you, we see. You know, take up your comb.
Yeah, beat me for.
You know no manners if I slap you in your today. Don't give me no back answer. A back chat they give me. Eh? A chat they chat after me chat. Eh?
No,
So you are the woman in this. Huh? Come back up here, so. Who tell us you can't move? Who dare you to move? Eh? You know what? No, give me comb. Go wash up your plate them. Go wash up your plate them and take off your uniform and make sure say you wash it.
I can't stand bike, but I never go on one.
But I never ride one either. So I'll go on with you.
What?
Where they dress up shoes?
What do you mean? First and foremost, I did have PE, so that's why I bring my green shoes. But it's not like I can't bother to take off my shoes. I'm just keep on my top of my shoes. I could have more than put on my school
So,
shoes.
which day, when you're going to make me and you spend one full day together?
I don't know. What we gonna pick a day? And you at door boy, you wear clothes.
Oi, where are they, so?
Mommy, why you do that?
Now who this?
I'm a classmate.
Classmate.
He was my classmate in a 7th grade and him get transferred.
Hello. Me noticed say I use the head palm for a long time. Why in uniform different from you?
He was-
And you and him in the same class? Me not understand what I go on right here,
He
so.
was my classmate in 7th grade, him get transferred. So nowadays all we do is link up and walk go home together because him don't live that far from we.
Look a girl. You're not stop.
Right.
You not stop until me send you a cops or me do what me have to do and go prison. You hear what me say? Oi, where they come from?
We just meet up and we are walk go home. You know, sister, we are go see school right there, so you know. Oh, you feel like mommy I come from on the school there right
You
there,
not
so.
stop. You not stop until you catch belly.
PE we do and then we
PE.
meet up.
You not stop until you catch God for me. Eh? So you want to come left me in a stress and problem. If you can't take care of me and I know me breed you, girl. If me look round and see you and him they walk, you swear me do. Move out of my sight. No shame. Oh, hello. Where I go behind me daughter they go? Where they go? Who you and where your name? Come right here, so. Me I talk to you. Me I no size and nobody that your body big, your face you're older than me. Me a big woman fear me can be your woman. Where they do with me daughter? Can you look like you're in a higher grade than her?
We did I same grade, I'm a friend.
Same grade and different uniform. So you take me for fool too.
So people that say different uniform can be
So
friends.
two different uniform and go same school?
No,
Because
no.
why? I want for your parents.
Father,
Where you say?
my father, Big John, don't listen.
Big John,
Yeah.
me need to see your father. Because me want to know where you and my daughter they come from them a time of evening and our school over long time.
I walk, we just not walk.
And where you turn up and look for? Let me reach one before you. What you say?
Me and I just not walk.
Walk.
Yeah.
I not said nothing.
We just not talk about.
What was the conversation? What we
We just not talk about what we did do at school today.
like when we did do so, can no found out hide in a bathroom and went to school over on in all class, back at bench and sitting. What we they talk about?
As we say, we just not talk to each other about what we did to school today. I walk, we just we did a walk her home. Never had.
How old you be? Because she is 15. Turn up down there, look.
Me 16.
You're 16.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. You see your age? That no means you can't get one woman pregnant. Leave me daughter alone. You hear me I tell you? Leave her alone and I don't want to see you back with her again. And I go down at the Big John because I know where they talk. You, little boy, go on. Please, come in and disrespect you. Come here no size. Go on. I need to see your parents
All right.
talk to them. Look for you too. Let me read. Let me catch you back and you will see boy. You turn up down there so say, yeah, wait for him.
Hello.
Hello.
Gas alongside there?
Alright, fine. Be careful. Be careful because it was
Morning. What's the name?
Felicia.
Alicia.
Yes.
Nice.
And yours?
Um,
So make you smile. So.
my
What's
name,
your name?
my name kind of weird still. That's what I really like.
You can say it to me.
Alright, call me Jason.
Jason, no weird.
Well, because them said Jason from Freddy and then,
But we never hear nobody trouble anybody when name Jason.
yeah.
It's one of the nicest names, you know, Jason, Romaine, you know.
So where you from?
Hmm, Petersfield.
Petersfield.
Yeah.
What old are you?
I'm 22.
22.
Yeah. And you?
I'm 28.
Okay, not bad. You look insecure about your age, though.
Well, I'm not really insecure still. Not really insecure.
Okay.
So you know, I'm gonna come here, so
Um, only when I'm feeling depressed.
do you feel depressed now?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, it's not big, but I just feel to get little cool water on my body. I like to do water stimulation.
You like water stimulation?
Yeah, meaning you use the water to satisfy you and relax your body. Understand?
Like, it's all of that still. I never can come in there water. I never really plan to come in there water still.
It's just like therapy, water therapy, basically.
Like that, like that.
Of course you would.
But I mean, I would love to get to know if it's possible, you know.
Well, okay. The slot is open, you know.
Yeah,
The
it's not.
slot is open. Meaning, yes, you do get the opportunity to get to know me.
Alright.
You can smile though, woman.
Are you make me a smile, man? Cause
Or is that a blush? Which one?
probably is a blush.
Okay, I get it. So, um, you? What about you? Where are you from? Are you single though?
Well, I'm single now. Yeah, I'm single now. No, like no, I'm single.
Make sure.
No, like no, I'm single.
Why you emphasize wanna know? Was it like last week or it's been a month now?
Well, the last relationship for me, like, the woman, to me, still, she kind of did no one get single. To me.
That's sad, I'm sorry.
She not dead for you, you know, but
What
to
about?
me, to me, see all bird shit for me.
Oh, let me
Like,
write it down. Okay, there you go.
sure about it. So, yeah.
So your room is nice and cozy.
So,
Kinda warm though.
the bathroom there, that's also.
Mm-hmm.
So, I want to freshen up on them something there. Just
Of
make yourself
course.
comfortable.
Alright, no problem, cause I have something I want to change off in us, so just have a shower a little and come back, alright?
Alright.
So come.
Oh.
Hey, sweetheart.
Oh,
Well,
what I said be again?
22.
22?
Yeah, what? Who that? Well,
22?
Yeah, what happened?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm 22. What's wrong? I want to know.
You think me I hear that? You're 22.
Yeah.
So what is? Eh? Little girl. What is? Eh?
It's my sister's uniform.
Your sister uniform?
It's my sister's uniform. What is it? What? I don't.
Your sister uniform?
Yes, but why are you making a big deal out of it?
Alright, let me see your ID.
What?
Let me see your ID. So, oh, you're 22 and I have ID.
I don't. Why am I need for walk with my ID?
Show me something right now where say you're 22.
Where were we?
Show me something.
But where were we just now? Where were we just now?
Look for me good. Me a big man. Yeah? You see a little crayfish brain? You can't work for me. And you now gonna make me go to jail, you know. Yeah? Say best thing you do. You take up. But
I don't understand why you don't want to believe that I'm 22. That's the point. Why can't this be my sister's uniform?
Which sisters? Oh, me never know about that sister. That sister just appear, so. Eh?
You know what? Alright, Mama come get me yard.
Best thing, cause watch on a man, you know I make me go to prison. Me I know them the type of man they will deal with little pitney. You hear me I tell
That's fine. That is fine. I'm not going to waste time
Hurry
arguing.
up, kind of.
So what? Listen to me. Mr. Stop mananga me. I want it. Don't touch me. I can't come out from my own. Don't touch me now.
Auntie, you think I'm
I don't come back to your yard. I don't know why I did like it in the first place. You don't know manners. You don't know for treat women.
Like your size, man, a size. Yeah, that.
I am 22.
22.
Imagine that. Kind of embarrassment this.
Come here. Where you coming from?
Good evening.
Good evening. Where you coming from?
Oh. I'm going to to one of my schoolmate. We study together.
So where is the uniform?
It's in my bag.
So why it's not on?
We did leave from river first, and then we just got the house after. I put it on right now, cause
No money you there, come on.
no, because the house me did that.
Which cause of that? So me a fool.
Me
Me have no sense. Me head now work.
never said
Me
that.
blind. Me deaf.
And because the house me come from a while ago, lady.
So why your cousin trace you out of female? What you do? Where your uniform there?
I don't know where you did that, see, but nothing like that. No. Oh, it's we can't put it on right now. And because the house me that come from, honestly, me go put it on.
Where your shoes?
We did stop off at the river after we come from school.
So you take man now.
Nothing like
You take man.
like that.
My friend if I works the office and you go to school and you take man. In a uniform, you got man yard.
Yes, you know.
No respect. Wait me back, me nose. Nose. Yo, go home to your mother. Go home to your mother.
Shut up. Stop me. You're not supposed to put your hand
You are man, you're a child, you're 15. Go. Go home. I said go home to your mother. Boy, you want man. Run up, run home. Boy, you want man.
Put your hand
At the age of 15.
Some people pick
Rubbish.
nosy. Lady, you're too nosy.
Hey, Crystal, just a minute, please.
What you say? You alright? So where you call me about now? What happened?
What's up? You look nice, though. Where you go?
Me I go out on the road go start out something right now. Thank you.
You're
What happened?
welcome. Your daughter good?
She gone to school. So me no nothing good you know, and me know say me send her to school.
Every day.
Every day me send her to school.
And she go?
Yes. She go, but me no know if she do the no work.
Oh, that too. Maybe she do extra work we don't know about.
Like what, sir? How are you ready for start about now? Where you ready for talk about now? What happened? What happened? You have me that time or something?
No.
So what is the problem? Why you call me? Because it's so hot.
I'm an adult, you know. She's a child. I don't keep manners with child or problem with kids. Anyways, so I'm here to talk about your daughter, obviously.
Yes. What about my daughter?
The other day,
Mm-hmm.
I was on the road, minding my own business.
Mm.
Just to see your daughter, I left man yard.
What you say?
Your pitney, where your school work so hard for send go school. I take man. I left money yard.
Help me, God. Susie, if you are my daughter in something, and you come to tell lie upon her, it makes sense to talk the truth, because me can get out the truth out of her.
I don't tell lies and know me by now. I
Although
do
she
not.
like what? She have to tell me the truth because she afraid of beating. What is the problem between you and my daughter? Me
What kind of
ask you.
problem I expect me to
Me
have
no
with a
know.
daughter?
I no want to because some parents love tell lie upon people pitney.
Me not tell lie, me tell her before, me will tell you again. Me see her with my 2 year them. I leave man yard. Uniform pack in a bag.
My daughter.
Your daughter. If I bust her ass and send her home to you.
Hold on there. First of all, if my daughter come out of one man house at the age at 15, she wrong and that means she bad. But who authorized you to put your hand on my child? You don't have no right to lick her.
You can't say that.
What you mean?
I know one somebody can grow pitney.
No. First time and no is not the same thing. First time when people pick me do sit in a road, you could have beat them and send them home and it alright. Nowadays you cannot do that. You not have no me and your friend Susie not do it. You can't beat her and then me go beat her again for the same thing. A wickedness.
Glad I know say me and your friend and me I look out for your best
No, man.
interest.
Yes.
Me I look out for you.
Thank you
And me I
very
try bring back the old days, not the new days.
Susie, thank you very much for the lookout for my child. But I know so you look out for people pick me. You can't murder him and then a report to me that mean you want me to go murder him again. So what you talking
These
about?
are what Jamaica need for help look out for other people pitney. Else Jamaica would be better. A lot of lives.
All we need to look out for one another picnic, but not by beating them. And so you go. Cause number one, beating can't change some picnic. Cause the amount of lick when me give for me little girl, where they come complain about. You better me punish her. Although, a matter of fact, you say she a come out a man house or man yard? Which one? You see her come out a house or just the yard?
The two of them.
I lie.
The two of them me see out of me eye them. Remember say me not blind again, you know. Me start wear glasses now, so I'm not blind. Me see what me see, and me know what me know.
Then I wish man that day, you know the man?
That's
You did
what
see her with the man or you just see she alone a come out?
me see the man a kick her out.
Jesus Christ, God help me.
We're supposed to know the man, but that's where the man a take her out and she'll leave outside of the house itself. Me see her. Me don't know what she and the man are, but she and the man did argue.
Susie, you know how hard me work to send my youth to school?
Me know that.
You think a little dirty clothes me wash to send my youth to school?
She need to know that.
Eh? And clean up people dirty yard? Eh? And after me I send her to school, a man yard you come tell me say she a come up. Susie,
She start
make sure
very
say true.
early.
No, me say make sure say true you're talking because anyhow me see her on the way. A matter of fact, if me even not see her when she reach home, me and her, she have to go tell me the truth. Come here to go deal with her case.
Of course. And
Man
it
yard 15-year-old.
outward and rude.
Susie, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you for tell me.
You're welcome.
But on one thing me dey tell you, no put back your hand for me pick me. Do me a beg you. Cause me no want me have friend too long. Me no want you beat her. Make me beat her myself for the foolishness them where the devil put in her head.
Just make sure say I give her a double dose of her one medicine. Me give her the single dose. It's your time to give her the double dose now.
Anyway, me I go look for her, but no put back your hand for me pick me.
As a Mr. Kill her, but no make she dead.
See there prison you want me to go.
Come on, go you go. Me will
You're
bail you.
troublemaker. Prison you want me go, me see it.
Me bail you if
I
anything.
don't want you bail me man, everything good.
You're lucky.
Hi, mommy.
Where did go? Me send you to school. Where were you? Where you was? Where you did there?
I go school.
You go school. And where again? Where again you go? I just straight school and from school to your yard. Don't shake your head for me. Where did they? You know what? Spit out the chewing gum. Spit out the chewing gum. Right. Felicia. Felicia, you not go one man yard.
I'm not gonna man yard. Me and Princess
Felicia, the man, no, they put you out and they tell you to go your yard.
put me out. That don't make no sense. So if I come man yard, oh man for put me out. That don't make no sense.
Felicia.
But mommy, listen to
You
what I
carry,
say. Yeah,
shut up. You carry extra clothes in your bag go to school different from your uniform we have
I
on.
forgot river the other day, but other than that day, then no, me no.
Felicia, this a come from the horse's mouth, my friend. Susie, that the girl did not tell me no lie upon you. Oh, shut up and make me tell you. You're not see there you give yourself because I know me not tell you what the woman say. You're just a chat. Listen to me. Susie say she see you. Me they call her name and me they tell you say she say she see you. They come out of the man house and the man they throw you out. Put you out. That mean you figure your yard. He may say man lick you. The man they send you your yard and you don't want to go. And she come to you and they ask you a question. And she end up a beat you. So, you not tell me about them the beating the way you get from Susie.
I tell her some go river with my friend and she never believed me. I should put her hand on. And she not put her hand on people penny because she not a penny, she bad mind. She not supposed to put her hand on me.
You see how me calm? You realize how calm me is the question you? Me nah play out no piggish mentality on you right now. You realize how me calm? That mean me need you to speak the truth. Because
Nosy.
Felicia, you have your mama and you don't know your mama stay. If you get me from the wrong side in here today, heaven came down and glory fill your soul. You better tell me the truth, little girl. You go in at the man house, and go wrap up with the man. Did you sleep with the man? You know what I mean when me say sleep? You know what I mean? Don't make me spell it out, that 3 letter there. Me say if you sleep with the man. Don't shake it off for me. Did you sleep with the man? Because me warn you from the other day, you know. Say if you breed and come in upon me, a hell and powder house with me and you. And now me hear say they come out of man house and you not tell me the truth and me know when they tell lie. But if you make me get mad in your teeth, you know what? Go on outside and go break piece of stick and come give me come here go bust your ass. Even if you not sleep with him, shut up! You're not supposed to be in no man house at the age of 15. 15 years old. Me send you to school, you reach in a man house. Get go, 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 go outside. Go break this stick and give me now. Go on outside, go break this stick and give me. Cause my hand can't do nothing to you. My hand them cannot do anything to you. Me need piece of stick to bust your ass. Man you want, man you go get, I go and give your man. Go on, get up. Get up. Come out. Come out, man. Come out. Jesus Christ, that little girl here go mad me. Jesus Christ. Blood pressure riser. You're stressed. Wait till you come back in here.
Fine stick no. This me again. See it there.
Little girl. But this stick when I send you to
See
go.
it there.
So what am I do with this? This
Yes, I'm forgot for one stick for your beat. Me see you stick here, mommy.
what am I do with this? So I beat you, no want me beat you. You take me for idiot. This, me must use beat you, cause you turn one little 3-year-old now. You're not about 15 again. When you tell man say you're 22. I this me for use lick you. Use this and beat you. Take it from me. Take it from me. Go on outside, go break one nice size piece of stick, come give me. You turn up a look.
So one big stick here.
You take me for
I
idiot.
saw it still,
You
the
take me for
tree
idiot.
flexible.
The tree flexible.
Yeah, you can't broke it because it's not fully dry. So I saw the tree out there.
What you
still.
say to me? The tree flexible. That means the tree have double joint.
The limb them
Good.
off I
Come
tree,
on.
mommy
Come on.
them
Why not?
flexible. It's not dry, so it can't broke.
This girl, no wonder who for poop or feel pa. Because, but, you know what? Move friend in front of me. I know what I'm going to do with you. Don't worry yourself. Maybe use my belt when I have. And give you where they look for.
Hello, dear. Hello?
Now when you call to me here, dirty Susie. All you do is watch people business and go back go chat. I mean, no say you bring news to my mother, you know. And you
talking
bring
to me?
news to... Yes, you Susie. Dirty Susie, you're not a pitney. You're up in other people's business. You know what? I can't stop chat to people them pitney. So when you go to my mother with it for? You already beat me. I'm think sorry, you didn't leave it as that. I really forgot to my mother go chat. You're too nosy. You're not have a life and you're not a pitney. Nobody for occupy your time.
I know me I talk to like that.
Are you me a chat to? Did I stutter? You lick me out there, so. And you still gonna tell my mother what happened?
She's my friend. She's my friend. And if my child did that, she don't come tell me.
That's why you're not no pitney, you know say.
tell
Nobody no want you, nobody no like you.
What you
You
mean?
don't-
What you mean by that?
Don't feel like so because the other day I make you put your hand on me, you can overpower me. Me damage you and
Oh, so
everything.
you start take man now. You have strength. You have strength. You're big now. You want to run away. To come breathe and miss one dead. Go on.
That's none of your
Go
business.
on.
And as me said, don't feel like so because the first time I make you put your hand on me, you can do it a second time. Me can damage you and this old lady.
Go on.
You got dead. And you got dead lonely.
You see you? You are got dead before me. Before I even walk out of the area, you go drop down there. You see you? Big man ship no walk.
Don't come
Humble yourself. Should me talk to you and talk to your mother, boy, you want to come grab me and fight me because of your own way. You want to come take man.
You got dead. And you got dead lonely.
Me I go dead. You are go dead before me. You see the streets? Nothing not out there for you than death and destruction. Run away, go on. So should me talk to you and talk to my friend, boy, you want to come grab me. You have the strength. The sperm were in you. You have the strength for want to come grab me. Grab me. Grab me. Because the street have things for you out there than just belly. Go on.
You're too enough. And your business. Me not say that over and over again. As me say, my last word, you got dead and you got dead lonely. You only need 9 cats to keep your company.
You
But
must know what sweeter shall sour
you
you.
live a life, big ugly woman, ugly witch.
Me, I live my life already, but you don't have no more life to live. You're so dead.
Ugly
Them
witch.
so find you dead. Papa, you so can start
And your
report
home
about
is
you.
not work.
You're so dead.
Your home not work.
Felicia,
No, nobody talk to me right now, you know. What you want?
you mean what more?
stop me for?
Where you do around there, sir?
My mother put me out.
Wait, what? Come here. Come here. Come here, son. What do you mean your mother put you out?
She not like me, she put me out. I'm not have nowhere to go.
Alright. Tell me what really happened.
She just not like me. Everything she beat me for.
So what do you mean she don't like you?
You know, hear me say my mother not like me. Everything me do, she beat me for. And she not stop run me out and tell me some walk me some me I go breathe.
Alright. No bother, man. Because remember last time I see your mother, she go out her antics. So, we don't say we probably have a problem, but you know, alright, no bother. So, if you are going to run away, which part you are going to go?
I don't say me run, I say she
Yeah.
put me out. I'm forgot.
Oh, she put,
No money.
oh, she put you out.
Clothes in my bag.
Alright. But like, it's still some. Alright, here. Up at my house, we have our next room. We can ask my mother if she can stay with look a bit.
And she'll just make one little girl stay up our house just so.
So what else we do? Make her go up on the road and don't have nowhere to go? What kind of person would that be? Alright.
No. No.
Alright. May I go ask her? Cause mother one nice person. We don't say if somebody need help, she'll help you. Alright, no matter cry. Come on. May I go ask her if she can help us? So no matter cry. No. Things will work out with you and your mother.
I don't want to go back to her. She wicked.
Alright, come on. Yeah, go alright. So much clothes you have in your bag?
Crystal. Hi.
Talk fast, cause I'm tired. I will want to go lie down. Where you say?
Your daughter again. She give me this trace in my life and run away.
What you mean my daughter again? What she a trace for?
True, me talk to you about she. Want grab me and all those. Me see her pack, you know. Pack clothes off a line, run away gone, you know. So because I'm me, she run away. Like I'm me send her a man yard.
Where she gone?
Me supposed to know?
She not tell her where she a go?
Why she don't want to tell me that she don't like me? She clearly states that she don't like me. Style me. And where you get her from? Where you get her
pack
from?
up clothes and gone where? If one friend you other way, you don't know,
Me
you don't
don't
ask her
know
where she a go.
about her. Me don't know. Me and her and a friend. I see me see me and tell her what me see.
Okay.
She don't tell me anything. She just trace me and gone.
I wonder if she run, we're gonna want friend yard or the same man yard where you say she did a come out of. Eh?
As I say, I don't know where she gone. It's for
Lord
you to know.
God.
So go search for your pitney. Because something go reach her. Because she don't learn to listen.
Don't worry yourself. Me I go look for her. Me I go down at the same man the yard where you see she dey come out of. And this the first me I go. And anyone there she dey, me I make police lock up that dirty man there. Remember me tell you. Because some of them man ya love big. They love when the little pitney them trick them say them big. And he must know little pitney from big woman.
So, I dey pitney them one man sometime. Not just blame the man. I them one man. I them go left go take man. And no man come to them and them got man yard.
Hello,
Me a
hello.
talk
Everything
truth.
in this life is vice versa. Me know say big man out there. They look little children. And me know say some big man out there and them put no word to them. And they pitney them here red. Who no want burger, want KFC, iPhone, all kind of thing. Them push on themselves and them man them. Like a film one where give man wrong age. Watch me on him. Wait man, wait for me
You
on
know a lot.
All right.
You go on like you're clueless, but...
Clueless.
You big up
A
yourself.
whole heap of them a give them big man them wrong age. Worse if them body big man they look on them as big. But the man them a idiot. No, Thank you for telling me. Me I go, you know, me not.
You must
Me
work
can't bother
out.
go up. Me no bother want sleep. Me I go look for her. This serious. She run me gone.
Gone, she gone. But
All right,
call
later.
me if you hear anything. Go on. I
Me
thought you
look
she's
for her,
still
me look for her.
alive.
All right.
What do you want?
You sure your mother not run me?
No.
What you mean you don't know? So you bring my guy your mother here, then you're not sure she gonna run me.
Alright. Mother one nice person, you know. Nicer than most people. Come on. What?
Can't take shame, you know?
No reason. Mother one nice person.
I'm sure. Cause my mother not nice. So you could tell me say your mother nice and she not nice.
When I want the room we have, so we can make space or
Is she that?
no
Look out
reason.
for you can't hold on for me and bring me to meet her.
Alright. No reason, man. So nice person.
Good evening.
Oh, baby.
Good evening.
How are you?
Not too bad at all. Who is this, Javi?
One of my friend them from school. We got different school, but one of my friend them.
A girlfriend you care, come introduce to me.
No, I have a girlfriend. One of my friend them. But the thing is, she didn't have a situation with her mother. Her mother run her out and she just wants somewhere to stay for a little while. Because I see her up the road when I sit down. So I say, come to my house because I know say we are both in one room and I don't see a problem with I help her out.
You know me not accommodate strangers, don't?
Yes, ma'am. What about my friend?
How old you be?
15, miss.
15. So Javi, how you fear bring one underage? 15.
So
You know,
maybe
hold on. Do you know the age of consent?
16.
So why is it you feel like say you can bring one 15-year-old and ask me for shelter about her mother run her out and put her out? Look here. Me not run no shelter in my house now. You know hear what go on in our world, in our society with the government and all these missing children. I report you want her mother to go report her missing and here she down me yard and take police. Me go talk to you. And you say because it a get late and a night I come down.
Yes, ma'am.
And me's a mother. Me go make you stay for the night and a morning me find your mother. So what your mother really have? Alright, maybe you don't want to make Javi.
No, me. Alright, go on, Javi.
Javi, me go talk to her. Cause you say uno pick me, uno lie when you know uno ready, uno lie.
Not tell no lie, man, not tell no lie.
Alright, Javi. Go inside, make me talk to her for a minute. Javi, bring one chair come. Bring one chair come, Javi. Cause your mother get all I'm easy for tired and you want to come put me under more severe stress. Alright, Javi. Go inside. I talk to her for a minute. So what you say your mother have now?
Alright, so, miss, my name is Felicia, and my mother don't treat me well. To be honest, she always remind me say I'm workless, I'm still like my father, I look like him. So basically, it's like she not like see me, and I feel say overall she don't like me. She treat me bad, everything she beat me for. She never once tell me say she proud of me. She never show me love. And she's not the mother you can go to about anything. Even if I feel sick, she's not the type of mother where will pamper me or nothing like that. She treat me like, I can't even say the word, but she treat me bad. She treat me bad, she abuse me, everything. She don't like me. I'm a workless, me a dog shit, dirty girl. Breed me for girl breed, me I go breed before time. Everything that is bad is like she put it on me because she expects that some me I go turn out.
Why? I don't know what happened to some of them mother here, you know. Then call them pitney all sort of derogative name. Me no know, me nah say. She call us so. For true, you know. What you say me a talk off, you know. Because someone don't lie, you no tell lie. You no tell lie for no reason. You understand? But I don't know why some parents don't call them pitney nurse, doctor, lawyer, teacher, police, soldier. Me no know what them have to call no dog, drunk, or all sort of something. Me no know. But look here. You sure? Say you tell me the truth.
Me not.
You know, some feel like say you not tell me the truth though.
Me not tell you no lie. She treat me bad for true. It's like she never want me in the first place.
Who tell you so? She tell you so? I can't overprotective. Your mother overprotective. Me feel say you get you. Me feel say you not listen to your mother.
You can't treat fitness so. One night time she beat me and cut me. And it turned into an infection and she same one have to bring me to doctor. And she never even tell the doctor.
So she just get up and beat you so?
So she stay. If me not spread the bed, she beat me with hanger and hose and bed foot and them something.
So why you not spread the bed? Hold on. Are you and your mother alone live? She live with your father? So you ever think about the problem and the stress your mother have to go through?
I don't know my father. I understand what you say. Alright. The thing is,
Doc, tell me the truth. Can you tell me lie? I don't believe you.
the only thing I actually tell lie about, I never tell Jarvis my runway. I just tell him say she put me out, but me and her have an argument. But the same thing based on how she treat me, I tell her off say she a wicked woman. And I come out her house.
So how you tell your mother say she wicked?
Because she wicked for true.
The Bible says you honor your mother and your father so that your days shall belong upon this earth.
But I know disrespect, she just wicked. And I tell her about herself. I tell her say she wicked. And because she don't love me.
Girl, stop. Me and mother. Stop right there, so. You can't tell your mother say she wicked. Eh? If she did wicked, you wouldn't die. She could have dashed your way. You feel listen, some man up in no listen. And you say because you tell me say your mother wicked, me no believe you. Or something you do. Your mother now get up and just wicked, so. Unless she born wicked for true.
She wicked for true. Me I tell her. The only thing me tell her about, me never tell Javis say me run away, but me run away.
You're liar. Because same way like you tell Javis say, you never tell Javis say you run away. You're liar.
You have to believe me, you know, because, listen, a long time me I keep it in. A long time. And I feel better for open up to you than Javi, because remember say Javi in my age group. So it's better for talk to you, you'd more understand.
Look here, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. But I'm going to find your mother in the morning. So because it get dark and late, I'm going to allow you to stay here just for the night.
Thanks.
Just for the night. But as daylight in the morning, I bring you to your mother. You see, don't worry yourself. I'm going to try to fix it with your mother. I'm going to sit her down and sit you down. I don't know counseling, but I can give good advice. Because I once did young like you. And I see way my parents usually treat me. And when me big and grown and have my children, then me understand. And I realize that the tough love. Because they're overprotective. Look at me. You mustn't give your mother no trouble, girl. Time hard. And look, suppose you did carry Javi come here now. And me did so careless mother. Eh? Me could have make Javi have him with you, know. Because you have some mother still like that, you know. You didn't know that?
No, I understand.
The best place for you to stay is your mother place. You cannot run from here, there to everywhere. You might run got the wrong place. And then, you know what happened to you? You not listen to news. You listen to the news?
Yes.
The last news me hear about one little girl and I never run, she did a run. I don't even want to talk about it. So how long since you run from your yard?
Just a while ago, I'm see Javi out there, so, and him tell me, say, I make me come. I never know when the dog go.
So where is your mother?
I think she go up on the road before. I wait till she leave.
Lord have mercy. Anyway, go inside. Me I come in with you. And me I sit with you. You have a shower. And, you know.
You sleep in our couch.
No, you're not sleeping on our couch and Javi in my house. Me I make you sleep right in my room, in my bed. Me we sleep on the floor. Because me now come out going in our next room. Me I make sure say me I stand watch over you. So you go on in, go inside, you're not sleeping on no couch. Because Javi, me not trust Pitney. Go on in your house, go bed. And when you go and tell Javi, so me call him. Go on.
Thanks, sir.
Okay. Go on. Javi! Javi! You tell Javi, so me call him. Javi,
Yes, mommy.
me no know a little girl. You claim to say you know her.
Yes, mommy. Me know
And
her.
listen, and not because you know her, why me I put her up, you know? Because I am a mother. And me grow your sister. And she never give me no trouble. She never give me. You see, they look up at you nowadays. They not listening, no, Javi. And then the problem, me I make she stay here, and me I gonna make she sleep in my room.
All right.
My room she a sleep in. So, look here. She a go shower, so you stay outside. Me no want you turn in her house with her when
So you don't trust me, mommy? All right. You all right?
Me alright, me trust you.
All right.
But I know everything me trust you with. You hear me I tell you?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, you know say me love you, right?
Yes, mommy. Me
You
love you.
know say me love you.
Yes, mommy. Me love you
Yeah.
too, mommy.
But me understand and me know how earth runnings go. And me nah make when she left you for your name call. Me can put my head on the block for you.
All right.
You
Yes,
understand?
mommy. Yes, mommy. Me understand. I carry the chair.
Alright.
Take your time while walking.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Hello, sir. Would I love to talk to you? Give me a minute then.
So miss, when you can come on my place, I come knock down your place, so.
This is not a good day. Would I love to know if my daughter there in your house? Felicia, she name, and she's 15 years old. Me get it. Listen to me.
Hold on. Wait.
Me get to understand say at this a yard that she dey come.
Lady, what your daughter done doing in my house? Me don't even know who your daughter.
You don't know the little girl who wear the green uniform. They come at your yard. Eh? So you feel say she a big woman that same little girl that me a talk. She a school pitney, high school pitney. And a big woman.
So hold on, the miss. So you mean to tell me say that girl is your daughter?
And my daughter.
You should have shame on yourself. That me I tell you.
What me ashamed about? The only thing me would ashamed about are if big man like you go breed a small little girl like that. Cause that no found no man a do. Trick uno with the age and uno they believe because uno idiot and you a pervert.
Who a pervert?
You!
Who a pervert?
15-year-old and you believe say I'm 22. Not even the conversation you don't listen to. I say that I no adult conversation.
God, if you not
And you, me should have carried the police over. Yes, yes.
if I want to me kick your dog in me yard, that me I tell you. Who you can call pervert?
Them the foot the palm me. You never lift up your back again. Pan no more woman for the rest of your life.
Miss, it come like say, you get all of this wrong, you know. Let me tell you what happened. Zine, me the river, and me meet your daughter. She tell me say she at 25. Zine? Remember, you know, she ain't no uniform. She tell me say she at, listen, she tell me say she at 25. So I stay at Bamson. Alright. Me bring her, come here. We never have no sex, you know. Marco, we never have no sex. You see me? When me realize say I want Lily Pitney because me see uniform in her bag. Me ask me come out of bathroom, me ask him so, how old she be? She still I say 25. Me say, how old be again, little girl? She said 25. Miss, me run the girl out of my house. Me I tell her, me not tell her no lie. Me a big man, me not tell her. I'm in a deal with little Pitney. Me tell her that. You see me? Me run her out. Jar her out. I send her home to you. You see me? Me never have no sexual intercourse with a little Pitney, with a little daughter. But it's your duty to ensure say your little daughter under control. Because you can't have her make sure you see that little girl I want a little liar, you know. And I know she probably tell us something and you believe her. But as me I say, your daughter not there and me never do nothing with your daughter. You get me I say? Me a big man, you know.
Expect me if you believe you.
It's up to you if you want to believe, but me know say me I tell you.
They can't tell you say a liar. They tell me was not here. Me no know if you do nothing with her or not, but where one little 15-year-old, they doing a one big man house like you. And that me want to find out. You're lucky
You
say
come
me
like
not
say,
catch
you
police
come like,
over
you
here.
come like say me talk a while ago, you know understand nothing what me say. Me say, me see your daughter, a river. She tell me say she has 25. What do you want me to do? Eh?
This now go so, you know. This now go so. Me I go carry her go a doctor cause my daughter is virgin.
If you go a doctor and you find me par for your daughter, then you can come back and chat to me. You see, other than
You
that,
see your rank, I should have police me
Rank.
come over here.
Lady.
Because now 15-year-old no feel this a big man house here.
lady, if I know you want to me text lick in your face, you know, lady. Come out of me yard, you know, and no bother with you, no
So
bother.
who charge you that they pay you?
2 charges per who?
Yo! Child molester. Old fart. Wait, watch. Watch me and you.
Crystal,
Oi.
you come back quick though.
Huh?
You come back quick. Where your daughter?
You know something I see her?
What do you mean by you not see her?
Girl.
Report it.
Huh?
You need to report it then.
Report what?
The matter, she miss you.
You feel say me an idiot? Although she bad so. Me no want she go cops. If police hear about this, a straight a cops she dey go. She not miss this so. So me rather go take some rest and tomorrow me go look for her again. Me no want she go cops. Me can't manage this. Right now me want sleep. Me walk so till me tired. Me I'll go over the man yard. But you tell me say you see her a go.
If she even got cops, she can't learn.
No, me no want she go cops. Me no know that. Me always say when you pick the cops, they come out worse than how they go in them. Me we go look for her tomorrow. Here,
I hope she good though.
eh?
I hope she alright.
Maybe she alright. Me no know. Me no know, but me put out all of my effort. Right now, me feel weak. More like good energy. More some water to drink. Me walk so till me weak. Me go at the man yard. You know, say man, I run me out of yard too. So I'm sick with the man tell me one day for a true girl.
The same man.
I change know me vex man. Me say all my mind to take this out and give man one lick in his face.
She don't do it.
But me just love him. Because he look big and thick and strong, you know, I'm afraid he can't hurt me, man. So me just come out and yard. Anyway, me I go upstairs.
Alright, call me if anything, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
All the best, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Oh, I come back. Girl, you don't realize this. Realize
But
this.
the red one, no, wait, that she was
You don't
far.
realize this.
The red one, them the far. It high, man. Me can't get no more.
You can't eat them, bro. You don't realize
You know,
this.
say if I appreciate things though,
How? Alright. You know what? I'm not even going to argue with you.
move, man.
So where you be, sir?
Because me go pick the something them for me that shit way.
Because,
You could have at least pick off the part where worm there.
You better if you
Anyways.
pick. Alright, later me pick some more for you.
Anyways.
So later me pick some.
Anyways.
Alright.
I want to say something to you.
What you want, sir?
Your mother nice, you know?
You just realize that?
I should do some my mother stay.
Well,
It make me feel look
you can't,
sad.
you know, so you can't pick and choose who become your parent. I'm just glad to have one good mother like that, cause I don't know what more than do if me there. Cause you have to remember, you know, and your mother still, yeah, even though she stay how she stay, still have to love her and care for her.
Little girl. Are you still there? Oi. Nobody run. Nobody run. Nobody run. Come to me. Come to me right now before me call police over this yard here. All you little boy. Me not tell you to leave me daughter alone.
I want to go on
Where you
out
carry
here.
me daughter come in your yard for?
Hey. I want to go on out
Are
here.
you your son? I me tell you little dirty boy to leave me daughter alone. Say you want to come breed me daughter. Are you say you carry?
Hey. Calm down.
Who you miss? Who you?
Javi,
Are your son?
I who them? I who them?
All you a come out come ask who them.
Who them,
I'm
Javi?
me daughter that.
Your daughter what?
You know how long me I look for me daughter?
Hold on. I who she? Calm down.
Miss, you don't understand. Me no calm down right now. This little girl, a prison she want to send me.
Calm down.
I hear me yes around and so
say
she
fi
there.
calm down. Mother to mother, make me talk.
What you say, miss? Because right now, I'm not in a mood. What you say? What you say? Miss, right now, I'm not in a no mood, you know, because kill me want kill a little girl there.
Calm
You know,
down.
see a trouble a little girl I want come put
Calm
me in.
down. Calm down. Calm down yourself. Come, look here.
If you dey talk, miss,
No,
because
man,
right now, my
make me
head
talk.
hot.
Look here, your mother and me mother, make it two we talk. Mother to mother, make me talk.
So your son this?
Yeah, my son.
Jesus Christ.
My son.
You talk to me. What you say? What you say, ma'am?
Look here. I see you deal with the situation, you know. Me and mother to mother, make me talk. Javi and Felicia, go on inside. Go on inside. Come here.
I can't sit down right here, so miss, because my foot hurt me. I don't like come to people place, you know, this little girl come and me come all the way around here. So right now, I'm tired. You know how far me they walk from?
Is it sometime in our life when we have picnic, they make we walk go all about. But look here, and I see you deal with situation. I see my son come here, and he bring the little girl come here, and he tell me, say, her friend, because me a big woman, me no put up with foolishness, me no put up with slackness. Me no entertain out hardness. Nobody you can't see your daughter in my place, you know. Me get ready for come bring her to your house because me hear say she run away. She tell me the truth because the little boy tell me say she don't have nowhere to live because her mother threw her out. And because me know how pitney stay. You see, because me know so them nowadays pitney they not stay good. But me sit down and talk to her and I have a good conversation. And she explained to me and she tell me say you not treat her good. She tell me say she can't sit down and talk to you. Everything you say she have boyfriend and she go breed before time and all of them there's something there. You can't deal with them so. You can't deal with them so. Look for me good. You see for we all time parents. Then used to treat we bad and tell we all sort of sit and call we all sort of garbage name. You see also name of them people that call we. Police should have lock them up and the government should have charge them for their name there. You see also word where they call bad word and them they are bad word, you know. When all of your parents are call you drunk, dirty girl, also and a good name them there. Their name they will turn your pitney worthless. Me no know what you're not having, you know, but you need to make your daughter be your best friend. Where you not can sit down and have any conversation. No care how bad you might be thinking be, because you see first time people you see you then go on like then this and then that now. A friend then 12-year-old and 14-year-old then live a house with man, you never know. So you look here, we can't grow the pitney them so. Them are pitney nowadays. They're intelligent, then we outsmart, we can't grow them so. If we how me see you coming in the yard aggressive and anger, and I want make you go on so. I see you really treat her and go on
Lady,
with
if you
that.
talk to me, talk to me. Can I tell you already, say me no move. Thank you for the encouragement and the advice. But please, no go down in another part there, because my head no good. Me I listen to you, go and talk.
Let me tell you something. How old your daughter be?
15.
You see when they reach the age of 12 and 13, they start have feelings for the opposite sex. And it is normal and it is natural.
Miss
So
me know, because my daughter sexually active. That's why it stress me out. Right now, my blood pressure higher than way for them.
So how you know that?
Me know. Me
You
know
carry
me
go
I'll
doctor?
go a man yard.
You
Go ask question about her because me hear say she dey in a man yard and man run her road can give man wrong age. Me say no, me I go through, you know.
So you bring her go to the doctor?
Me carry her go doctor. And the doctor tell me say she a virgin, but
Then if she a virgin and she not sexually active, look here, lean not.
man
The
yard.
Bible say you feel lean not to your own understanding. Look here, try make your daughter be your best friend. When they reach the age at 12 and 13, then start have feelings for the opposite sex.
my daughter,
Lady, make me
I'm
talk
my best
to you.
friend. But I'm my enemy when she ready to go away and go a man yard because she not let me know where she a go.
Look here,
Miss.
ignorance.
And me alone, me understand what you say, but I'm me alone and God work all of my life,
Nobody
sweat
cry. Nobody
without
cry.
father,
Miss, listen to
and
me.
send her to school. Me alone, and me and God alone, I feel work on minor, and me fit turn up and watch my daughter. Gone take man, breed for me, and come in with Pitney and left it. Look here, without
like
daddy,
say
she
over-
nah no, she, my daughter, she nah no father, and me alone as me tell you. So me no want she fi go outside, go get pregnant before time.
Me understand.
You don't know ya, man.
Me understand, but listen. You see, the best thing about it, she not pregnant yet. So
She not pregnant yet. So true, she not pregnant, miss, when me did little.
listen, calm down now.
You see, for me mother, me tell her when me just start see me period. Me see one little red something on my panty. So me so frightened and I wonder what happened and me go to her and that kill me with lick and say a man me a take.
So hold on.
Eh? Man me they take when me not even know nothing about man.
Break your cycle and break your curse. The same thing will happen to you. And same way how your parents treat you, so you come back for treat your little daughter.
And I treat me, I
Look
treat
here,
her like
listen
how
to
they,
me now. Listen,
how they
listen.
treat me.
Calm down. Then what you do then?
Why she a run away?
Listen.
Why she have to run away?
I way how you talk to her and deal with her. You deal with her in an aggressive manner. Listen.
Sometimes the way how the little girl make me head hot me have to talk to her in a one huggy
I way how you grew up. Break your curse. Because you all I say she pregnant when doctor tell us that she not pregnant. She not. Wait, I know I say you say. Or she a no
No,
doctor
me
tell us
say
that she a virgin.
sexually active.
And
But
doctor
the
tell us that she
doctor
a
say
virgin.
she's a virgin.
Then
The reason why me say it, remember you know, Marco, me tell you, listen carefully when me say, any mother would have think it. Whether she a virgin or she no virgin. She go a man yard. She give man wrong age or she like half man. Next thing, I want different man yard she dey know. Miss, me no know my daughter, me no know what she a do.
no know
Me
different.
confused, me no know what happened to her. Me no know if she did alive or whatever. I hear me say she over here. That's why else she wouldn't come home.
Look here, I bring me there, I bring her home. She just come here. So nobody feel like say she sleep here. You understand? But listen what me I tell you say. Listen. If a doctor says she a virgin, that simply means she not sexually active. You might not understand.
Miss, you have any daughter? I just
Look here, man. Me have one big daughter, man. She a 23-year-old and she not give me no problem.
Are you grow?
And me grow up, me alone without father.
Me I wonder if it's true because my daughter don't grow up with her father. Why she's
My
like
one
that?
not grow up with no father either. But you know what I do? Me make sure say me no make my past come haunt my present. Because I say, for me mama, she give me some rotted lick when me a pitney. You see, I'll trail him. Because she never understand about life. And look here, me make sure say, me no want no grandmother nor nobody grow my pitney. Me alone grow my child. So that is why I can sit in here right now to advise you. You see where you go at it, you're going at it at the wrong way. When me I tell her say, if a doctor says she a virgin, that simply means she not sexually active. So that I best part, she not pregnant. So you're going to bring her home and you're not going to work it out. You stop deal with her in the farm of ignorance. Don't do it. Because the more you deal with her, she'll go run. And she'll go run until she run in the wrong arms. Suppose I never my son carry him come here today. And suppose I never feel me yard she come. Because me talk to her, you know, and me tell her that's why me put on my clothes and say me I come find you. You understand? So me don't want you to feel no way and get it wrong and get it twisted. You understand? You think so easy if you grow from a boy to my boy. Me have to talk to him about sex. Not because I'm a boy. Because it's not pregnancy alone, you know. Then can
not
catch
talk to her
any
about no
form
sex.
of disease.
Me not talk to her about no sex because me afraid me go tell her about sex and she did go do it.
Lord have
And that's why
mercy.
me not talk to her about it. But
wrong
now
thing
me
you do.
understand what you say to me. Thank you for your advice. And you can call her for me, please, because I really want her to go home with me right
Yeah,
now.
never go home because I talk to her. I sit her down and I talk to her. And I make sure say, I tell her, say, the Bible say you honor your mother and your father so that your days shall belong upon this earth. I tell her.
Okay,
so
so-
listen, I talk to her for you, know.
Anyway,
So, let me call her. Felicia!
call her for me. And thank you for
Felicia?
your advice. Me go home and go talk to her.
Yeah, I know rush her, you hear?
Me not rush her. Me not go beat her neither.
Come. She not beat you, come. Come, she not beat you, come. And look here. Stop run. Stop run up and down. You hear me say? Look here. Don't follow no bad company. You hear me say? Stop it crying. She not beat you. Go hug up your mother.
No, Oga, you don't know she stay. You don't understand how she stay. She not have no love in her.
Well, me think say she going to start have love in her now. Me not even did introduce myself to you. Them call me Gigi. Here? What your name again?
Crystal.
Crystal. Crystal, look here. No beat her.
Me not beat her. Me I carry her straight home and go talk to her.
Come.
Go with her, understand. She
Felicia.
the same thing.
Felicia, me not go beat you, come on.
Javi, go for your bag. Go for your bag. Go and get her bag.
Come on, Felicia. Me not go beat you, come on. Come on. Come, me not do you nothing. We are go home now. Me go talk to you.
Look here, me never take you in, you know. Me never take you in. Look here. Everything go alright. Me I pray for you here. Stop it crying. Stop it crying. Stop it crying. Don't beat her.
Me not beat her.
Don't beat her.
Come on.
Everything go alright here. Don't worry yourself. She afraid of you for real.
Come on.
Go on. Go on.
Come.
You can't stop knowing we all do that for.
Shut up. Because I use your mouth too much. That's why you feel so you're a big woman. Feel left out of yard and gone about your business. Eh? Gone on your own. Because you take up big woman ship on your head. Like you're a big woman. Okay, Miss Big Woman. May I talk to you? Take off the bag off your back.
Me know why you beat me. Just please. You know, cause you would talk to me good. And then you say, go and go get the belt or the stick. So if you talk to me, just nobody tell me at the end for go get stick. I don't wanna beat.
Your conscience will kill you. Me and you a whole conversation about beating. Eh? Little girl.
Yeah.
Me say if me and you all in a conversation about beating.
You always end up beating me at the end.
Conscience is killing you because you know you do something wrong, that's why beating left on your mind. But don't worry about it. Me not go beat you this time. Me to go talk to you right now. I need you to listen now when me ask any question you need to answer. Because it seems like you have more than one problem. At the age at 15, what kind of stress and problem you can have? For you take up man on your head before time. I send you to school. Me don't know if you go to school first, then you go to man yard. Or you go to the man yard first, then you leave and go to school. But me sure say at school me send you. Why you have man in your brain? You look like a tech man college school me send you. See there? You're not learning anything. Man dey on your brain. You're too young to think about man already. See there runway gone. Me I feel all over the place I look for you. Something bad could have happened to me just looking for you. And me all the question man about you, cause at the same year there you go. Man take up something to lick me down say cause you me could have lose my life. You better thank God say you don't get pregnant. Thank the Lord that you never get pregnant. Because I don't know how you da manage. Eh? Felicia,
Yeah.
don't talk to me like that.
Yes, mommy.
Talk to me with respect
Yes, mommy.
and manners. You hear me say? Don't shake your head off for me.
Yes, mommy.
You don't even know your head different from your foot. You can't even wash your little panty them properly. You can't even cook. You're not even clean up the place nor nothing at all. What is your problem? If you have a problem, you need to talk to me about it.
But it's hard for talk to you because you always be about I don't like somebody bad with man. Cause I just the one guy was see me and like me and end up go for him also. And I like say nobody did it before him. I first guy I ever like and end up him also.
You know what? You're young and you're sensible, but you're not smart. You're not clever. You're not use the sense them what God give you. You need to start use them. You're sensible, you know, but you use them foolishly. Start use them wisely. And whatever you do not make it happen again. You know, so me could have make a cops. This way you do, a straight a cops you should have. You shouldn't even in here so right now. Me could have called police for you. But you see the shame and the disgrace, me a kind of hold it down as a mother. And it seems like me need to give you the attention as a mother about sex. A matter of fact, about the whole entire world, what are going on out there so, between man and pitney. So me now, I'm going to make sure they say me on my P's and my Q's with you. You understand me?
Yes, mom.
Anything when you don't know, you can ask me. I will tell you. Okay? Don't be afraid. Ask me. You understand me?
Yes, mom.
Me not go beat you, so don't worry about it. No fret about no beating right now. Just look into yourself and know say you do something wrong. And you need to forgive yourself and ask God to forgive you. And you have to ask me for forgiveness too. Because if I were so mama, I not would have said mother. Because it's so too decent for me to say mother. If I were so mama, right now, then get mad, be a lick under your skin, and draw you by your neck, go straight on a station, go dash you give them. And that woman then now go business what they want to do with you. You fling your cops, anything you want on your tongue. Some mother is like that. So thank God. Say, me not even have the idea there in my head. No time me not have the idea there in my head. So, what you do? What cause you fi do it?
So just the one guy who end up like, and oh you stay, may you don't have this mother-daughter bond or relationship. You just, you name off my head for the simplest thing and everything you beat me for. That me keep on and set you. The least little thing me you beat me, you damage up my skin.
You hear that part?
The other day you beat me, cut my skin and what doctor tell so me get an infection on the cut though. And them things that you
Actually, you're damn nasty. Make you get infection in the cut because you have to take care of the cut.
Yeah, beat me and a cut me and damage me up so till you have to bring my god doctor to get
So
stitches.
why you they do what you do? Why you don't stop do what you're doing?
Show me love what I want.
So you want more love? Okay, as from now on, as from today, you hear me? As from now on, you will get all of the love them women never used to give before. Felicia, as me sit down right here, so me I talk to you as a mother to a daughter. Even though me used to beat you for the wrongs them way you do. Me love you. Felicia, me love you for true. Me just never want nothing bad to happen to you. And me want you to come out to something good in life. That's the reason why. Me did that for the beat you so for the wrong things them way you did that do. Me feel hurt to see how hard me have to work, send you to school for you get education and then a money had you gone. What you expect me to do? Just take it so? Me couldn't do it.
But mommy, at the end of the day, I'm still the second brightest girl in class. And like I'm fully distracted. And you're still not proud of me. You never want
Me
to
no
say
want proud of you for being no second or no third or nothing. You must always be the first, even though second is something good. But excellent. Well,
You see, you
excellent.
find it hard to say you're proud. You see, you
No,
can't
why?
even say
No,
that.
listen. You know hard. I am proud of you. But when you do good, not bad. Straight up. It don't make no sense to go around the corner and tell you no lie. So me forgive you for whatever you done. But please me, they beg you in the name of Jesus. Do not make it happen again. Do leave your man them alone. You're not ready for sex yet. You're a child. And you know say me love you, Felicia. You know. But you just play hard and I ignore the love we me have for you. Felicia, me your mother. Me work hard for send you to school. Me will do any kind of work. Oh, Felicia, you don't know what you do to me. You don't know what they do to me. Felicia, me love you as a mother. Else me wouldn't care about you. Me wouldn't business if you want to breed run me catch disease, nothing at all. That's why me up and down and look for you so. Now you come back, me ask you to behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Crazy girl.
Because you know say me love you, come here. You know say me love you. You know say I always love you. Here, find something to eat and go in the bathroom. Have a shower. Yeah? Alright, freshen up yourself. Get some to eat and have a nice little shower.
If you're in the Orlando or Ocala, Florida area, or even Georgia, and you're looking to buy or sell your home, Donna Campbell is the realtor you should call. You can WhatsApp her or call her at 407-449-3371. Or you can visit her website at www.donnettcampbell.com. Or you can also find her on Facebook. Donnett Campbell is your realtor.
If there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt, you know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say they capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give you the extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up, see him Instagram handle there, so you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Hey guys, this is Lexi, aka Zeno Gray. Thank you so much for always tuning into Richard Brown Films. We love and appreciate you guys always. So I would love for you guys to head over to my music channel. That's ZAYNOGRHY. Again, ZAYNOGRHY. That's my official music channel. And I would love for you guys to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm trying to get myself to 1,000 subscribers. I'm already at 636, and I would love for you guys to support me. As a matter of fact, if you wanna run go over there and you don't like the music, don't subscribe. But you see, if you wanna go over there and I don't like my song, maybe gonna subscribe. That's how confident I am in my music. So do head over there. If you have to pause the movie, run, go, run, come back. All right. So peace and love to you guys always.